You're a business owner, sales manager, or Zoho user, and you're struggling to use the sales tools inside of Zoho efficiently. Or you're experiencing a confusing CRM and struggling to navigate to find your leads, your deals, and your accounts. And you want to streamline your Zoho CRM to save time and to close more deals. Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to streamline your Zoho CRM workflow step by step so you can experience faster lead conversions, more organized deal stages, and all that without overcomplicating the process. Hi, I'm Andi Asay, and welcome to the Z1 Consultant channel, where we help business owners, COOs, and sales managers like you maximize your Zoho ROI. All right, let's talk about the relationship overview. So this is how the main modules inside of Zoho CRM communicate to each other. So I'm talking about the leads module, account module, deals module, and contacts module. And the leads module can be converted to turn into the account, contact, and you can create a deal. The flow is critical for tracking the customer journey and understanding your conversions. Later, I'm going to show you a little bit more about what the flow is going to look like. But in the relationship overview, it's important to talk about the conversion mapping and how you can decide what information from that lead gets converted to the account, the deal, and the contact. A quick pro tip with converting leads: let's say you have two leads that come into the system from the same company, and you want to make sure that they're mapped to the same account. When you convert the first lead, make sure that the account name is the same, or the company name is the same on both leads, so that when they're converted, you can add them to the already created account. Next, let's talk about lead stages. The biggest mistake that we see is companies overcomplicate this with 20 to 30 different statuses. Instead, we like to recommend to keep it simple. These are 6 stages that we recommend every system has for your lead stages. We have lead, MQL, SQL, working, recycled, and rejected. Each one of these has a purpose. For example, the marketing qualified lead can be set up with lead scoring rules that once a lead has a lead scoring rule of over 100, over 50, whatever you want it to be, then it qualifies to be a marketing qualified lead. And at that point, your sales team will start reaching out to them. And then once they have qualified that marketing qualified lead, it becomes a sales qualified lead. It's important that when you set your stages, you understand what each one means. And your whole team has a definition to what's a lead, what's a MQL, what's a SQL, what's being worked, what's being recycled, and what's being rejected. Fine-tuning your lead stages to this structure makes it manageable and ensures success. Pro tip that I mentioned is that if you have your lead scoring rules turned on, you can help understand what is a marketing qualified lead. You can also use tools like Sales IQ, Zoho Campaigns, and CRM to help you with this scoring. We'll talk more about lead scoring in a future video. Now, let's move to the deal stages. But first, one question every company needs to answer is what converts a lead. So you see on our diagram, we have convert here with a couple options of, is it coming from SQL, working? We need to define what a lead is, because then your team isn't going to have leads mixed into contacts and contacts mixed into leads. So a couple of the most common things we see is companies will convert a lead when a meeting has been scheduled, when discovery has been completed, or when a contract is being created. Everyone on your team needs to agree on this definition. Once the lead converts to a deal, you need clear deal stages. Here are a couple that we recommend. We have the qualified stage, demo stage, negotiation, purchase pending, closed won, and closed lost. Defining your stages helps your team know what does it mean to be in each one of these pieces of the pipeline. So again, if someone's qualified but they haven't seen a demo, that would put them in the qualified section. But if they've seen the demo but they're not ready to go to negotiation yet, they'd also stay in the demo part of the pipeline. Knowing those definitions is going to help your team keep this clean. And here's where automation comes in, which is a huge game changer for our clients. You can automate deals moving between stages, creating projects after a deal is closed, or even generating invoices. One of my personal favorites is right before a deal goes from purchase pending to close won, is we require what is the true close date. And then you can get details on your sales to know, hey, looks like we close more at the beginning of the week than we do on the end of the week. And you can get some good insights knowing the actual close date. One of my favorite pro tips is we like to use Zoho blueprints or layouts to require those key data entry at each stage. And we also really love to use Zoho Sign to capture contract signatures at closed won. Speaking of Zoho CRM automation, we've created a free guide on Zoho CRM blueprints. I cover this in way more detail, along with a few other powerful strategies that I think you will find helpful. I've put a link to that in the description box below. Here's the deal. If you can get your relationship overview, your lead stages, and deal pipelined all set up properly from the beginning, you're going to have a lot more success inside of Zoho CRM. Now, if you want to learn more about Zoho CRM, you need to watch this next video where I talk about how to set up lead scoring. Click the video that's on the screen right now, and I'll see you there.